Hi, I'm Kanika, a croc living in Odisha's Kanika National Park. Tonight there's a celebration in our home. No, not because someone caught a huge fish, but because our population has spiked again. Wildlife officers say there are 2,193 of us in Odisha now, a 3.54% rise from last year. And I'm also one of mighty saltwater crocodiles here. But my mama says it wasn't always like this. In the early 1970s, many of my ancestors died because our homes disappeared and people hunted us for our skin. By 1975, only about 95 crocodiles were left. My grandma survived, but my grandpa didn't. Then something changed. Humans came to our rescue. They started something called a conservation program with help from the United Nations. They protected our mangrove forests, stopped poaching, and helped us breathe safely. And slowly, we returned.
Hi.
Today, Kanika alone has nearly 2,200 crocodiles. And some of my cousins also live in the Sundarban and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands too. From 95 crocs in 1975 to thousands in 2026, our story is both a heartbreak and a comeback. A reminder that when humans choose to protect nature, hope can grow again.